showing you this fantastic rice I prepared with some dried figs, nuts, and some spices. I welcome you back to Rafael Cooking Style. Let's start with our ingredients. These are all our nuts, raisins, cinnamon, cardamom, salt, nutmeg, and a little bit of cardamom powder, and I'm using this time jasmine rice. We're gonna start in a hot pan, adding our first batch of nuts and just spices. You're gonna fry a little bit. Don't overheat it, just calmly, low temperature. Look, if you may see, I'm using the 4 temperature in my stove, which is less than the medium one. So we just need to enhance our flavors, and then we're gonna fry a little bit our rice, together with all what we just add, the previous nuts and bay leaf, etc. And now I'm adding salt, the cardamom, and the nutmeg because they are powder. So I'm just adding it at the end, just to finish it up with the raisins I'm using now to stir fry all a little bit. In the meantime, I got some hot water. It's very important it's hot because we don't want to have too much change of temperature for the rice. So I'm using a kettle, and it will work, of course. If you don't have any, you can use tap water. Regular hot one will also work, as long as it's not cold. It's important. Now stir fry your rice a little bit so that it doesn't burn, of course, as well, and it's completely remove. In the meantime, while our rice is being cooked, I cut my dry figs in the middle, and if they are too thick, then you gotta cut it again, like they are not that thick. Look, I add 1.5 cup of hot water, and I had 1 cup of rice, so I'm using 1.5 cup for each cup of rice. Just like that. Just move a little bit, let everything get evenly spread, and top it with your dry figs like you did the form. I'm using this form because that's all I had. And you're gonna get, in my kitchen, I'm gonna cook it for 13 minutes and temperature number 3. After 13 minutes, I just cover it with a napkin or serviette, and I will also reduce temperature to 3 or 2.5 and let it cook for another 13 minutes. Then let it 10 or 20 minutes just cool down, and this is it. Look, fantastic rice, very nice, very flavorful, and it's just a fancy way of eating rice with some nuts and spices. I hope you like it. If you do, hit that thumb up button and also subscribe to the channel. Take care and enjoy the journey.